Hi guys, welcome to Rydec, and today we're taking a look at this ear-free i5 wireless earbuds by Roseselsa. If you're quite new to the brand, they're in the market for earbuds and other sound devices. So this is the ear-free i5, pure sound, lightning latency production, equal loudness contour, and features from the box. Let's take a look at that. Roseselsa ear-free i5 true wireless stereo ANC earbuds. Let's do a quick run through. 12mm diaphragm, HiFi DSP chip, 4 decibel hybrid active noise cancellation, acoustic HD, CNC aerospace grade aluminum, game mode and ergonomic fit with app support. Well, that was fast, but you can pause that a little bit and have a screenshot. And let's unbox. So opening the box, we have here the ear-free i5 user manual in which everything is indicated. You have their multi-language, and then let's take that away. And then we have here extra ear tips for comfortable use, the Type-C charging cord. And now let's set that aside and let's take a look at the earbuds. So we have here the ear-free i5. This is the easy grip charging case, Roseselsa logo at the front with the LED indicator, ear-free i5 text at the top, and at the bottom we have the charging port and the reset button. And there you go. Let's take a look and open up the buds. Now these buds are easy grip, regular size, minimalist design. I love the design of this with no logos or whatsoever. We have here touch control, so you can control everything through touch. High resolution immersive sound, good sounding, 48 decibel ANC. It also features 50 hours of playback, so for long hours listening, IPX5 water resistant, and also it has multi-point connection, low latency game mode for your gamers out there, and it is easy pairing with, of course, an app support. So let's go to the app. Now you can download this in the App Store and the Play Store. This is the Roseselsa app. So from this app, you can control your ear-free i5. So we have here the noise control. You can choose one. And then we also have here the transparency level that you can choose. So we have here the standard, the voice, and the comfort transparency. And we also have a couple of the EQs to choose from: pop, hi-fi, rock, or light. And we also have the game mode, dual device connection, lossless audio protocol. So you can choose from AAC or LDAC, find device, and of course the touch settings. It is here you can customize what would be the option that will appear, or what will be the touch settings for each earbud. So the left and the right, you can customize that to your choice, or what will happen when you click or when you touch the earbuds. So it's fully customizable. And also we have here the lab settings, some settings that are new: notification sound level, in-ear detection, noise cancelling touch setting, right there. Also we have here earphone voice language settings for the voice language. So there's a couple of settings in this app, and of course you can also upgrade your firmware. In fact, we have an upgrade here, and I will upgrade this later on after the video. So basically that's it. This is the app in which you can use. Now there's also one thing that I would like you to take a look at on the middle side. We have here another feature in which you can play white noise, so you can sleep to it or you can relax to it. Now this app is fully featured and is very useful as a companion app for your Roseselsa ear-free i5. So that's it. That's the Roseselsa app, and you can download it as an accompanying app for your ear-free i5. There you go. Great features. So that's the Roseselsa ear-free i5 true wireless earbuds. Tell me what you think. Put it in the comment section. Don't forget to subscribe. And of course, I'm gonna see you on the next one. This is again the Roseselsa ear-free i5 true wireless earbuds. This is Rai. See you on the next one. By the way, I will provide links on the description on where you can find the specs and also where to purchase this Roseselsa EARFREE HiFi. Alright, bye again. Don't forget to subscribe.